Hello everyone, welcome to Alfred Art For Fun, and today I'm going to show you my process of drawing this liquify image. So basically I just go on Photoshop, making a gradient of different shade of blue, and then I just use the feature called liquify, and I just swirl it around and it become this beautiful blue image. And today I'm going to show you, but it's not blue, is rather gold, and I'm not sure that I can do it because it's really hard, but I'm going to give it a try. So let's start. So first of all, it is very important for you to take care of your sketchbook. So when you're using the alcohol marker, they tend to bleed through paper and it's going to damage your sketchbook. So in this case, I got this pad from the Ohuhu marker set, and it was really useful when it comes to using marker because I can protect my next page from the bleeding of the marker. So if you have another paper, maybe a little thicker, you can use this as a pad, and I totally recommend it. Before I start to doing anything, I like to make a mini section of swatch, yeah, so that I could see what the color actually look like on the paper that I use. So test it out before you begin your drawing. Now comes the fun part, the drawing part. Of course, using marker is very similar to using watercolor because you have to start from light to dark. If you are, putting a dark color while using watercolor or marker, it's going to stay there. You cannot use the light color to cover it. Unlike the acrylic or oil paint, you could paint from dark to light or light to dark. It doesn't matter. But in marker, you want to start with light color and work your way up to dark. Now comes the least fun part, I would say. When you use the dark marker, it is very important for you to know exactly where you want to place it, because just one mistake can ruin everything. But it's your art. Use your creativity to hide your mistake. I mean, I did it a lot. You can see a lot of mistakes I make in this, but you cannot see it because I hide it. Now it is the fun part. I mean, not very fun, the highlight part. So I accidentally cover everything with yellow marker. So I have to make it up by using the Jelly Roll 10 to bring out the highlight. And I'm also looking at the reference photo from my laptop, which you can see on the left up corner. I'm not sure is that a good direction, but yeah, always have a reference photo when you do it. As you can see, I struggling making the Jelly Roll 10 pen, highlight pen, whatever it is, to work. So I decided to use the big brand, the whiteout or the correction fluid to, to make the highlight, and it's worked better than the Jelly Roll 10. And I kind of wish that maybe they have like a brush tip. That would be cool. So now we almost reached the final step of our drawing. So right now I basically apply the frame on the drawing to make it more aesthetic, and also do a little touching up, have to add some more highlight and a little bit more of the layer of the marker so that it look complete. The final reveal. Well, this is the final product of my drawing, and I have to say, I honestly liked the blue better than the yellow. The blue is a little bit more easy to play with, and the yellow is so hard to blend it all together. And if you like this video, please don't give it a like, of course, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe too. Bye!